Gwen Stefani back at work on the ranch after blowing out the desert with that no doubt reunion at Coachella.
Crap, my Coachella nails are not letting me garden.
The singer trading in her combat boots for cowboy boots, documenting her and Blake's gardening day.
We got these ones. These are called, what did we say these were called?
Pamela.
We're gonna do those. And then this is my Christmas present.
Once their flowers are all set, the lovebirds hop in the tractor where Gwen's got notes on Blake's driving.
Have you go faster, Blake? Does it go 2 miles an hour?
It is, yeah.
You like to stick those 2 miles an hour?
You gotta slow down. You gotta slow your life down when you get the tractor.
Simple kind of life?
Yes.
I'm in such a good mood when I'm on my tractor, I'm probably dangerous. It's a good thing I'm the only person on there.
Well, not this time.
Come on, Blake. We're trying to engage with the humans. Engage.
We got 5 minutes worth of zinnias to plant.
You see Blake's new glasses?
He's on the farm. He's in there, you know?
He is definitely excited to be doing all of his stuff.
Here it is. This is a field we're gonna try to conquer right now. We are going to destroy this field with flowers.
I want to do everything with him every day. So anytime we can be together, perform, write songs, hang out, watch TV, whatever it is, I'm all about Blake.
Gwen and Blake's love of flowers comes as no surprise. Just listen to their latest collab, Purple Irises.
Wonder why you took a risk on a broken heart you cannot fix. No, I never knew a love like this. Now we're picking purple irises.
The real truth is that you're in the garden with your best friend picking purple irises that you planted in 2020, and now you're picking them together and you have this like amazing friendship, marriage.
But if someone comes along and tries to love you like I love you, don't know what I do, don't want to lose you.
I've been working on stuff for a long time. I finally landed in that place where I'm like, I'm obsessed. Like I can't stop listening, so I feel like I'm somewhere. And it's just different now because I'm writing, but it's hard to do. I'm like just trying to find like pockets of time to make music, and it still never gets old.